Firstly, how to add a question in the mastery quiz. To add question, you can click to add question here. Just waiting. For example, we can add a question about Bernoulli and energy equation. Choose numerical response. Okay, let me see. For example, we add the question about here. For example, I choose this one. That's like leaking out from a tiny hole at the bottom of the tank. Okay, so let's see. This one is an easy question. So yeah, so I try to ask this question, and I will make a pool for this one. So we have pool for question 3, 4, 7, and 8, and now I create a new pool for the question about energy equation and Bernoulli equation is question 5. Bernoulli and energy equation. Okay, we add a pool. So the question is I add in the pool, and now we check organize assignment. Okay, so you can see the question 5 here, and this question I will add to the pool. To add this question to the pool, you click here and edit the pool, move to pool, and move to the question 5. Okay, so now in the question 5 Bernoulli and energy equation, we have two question pool already. This one is we did it before, and now is this one. So we have to modify this one a little bit. To modify this one, you click in here and edit question detail. Okay, for example, we can change the title to, for example, here I keep the title the same, but you can change it. And for the worksheet question, this one. Okay, so we can change anything here. Maybe we can reorder it or rewrite it to have a new question. So it will be harder for students to find it on the Google. Okay, and the answer will be shown in here. And this one is, you see, this one is answer 1, and answer 1 you can see in the worksheet answer. Yeah, this one's answer 1. Okay, and answer 1 is letter C. Okay, and how to find the letter C? Letter C is in the random variable, and C here. So this one, the equation to find C from A. What is A? A is this one. Sorry, it's A. A is x divided by 100, and x is the height of the gas line in the tank in centimeter. Okay, so A will be in meter, and C equal to square root 2 times 9.1 times A. You can put the equation in here. Okay, so in here you can change anything. You can change the explanation. Okay, yeah, so many things. Yeah, so to add a question from the question bank to the mastery quiz is very easy. You find the question and you add it. You can change it. Okay, so now we exit. Yeah, so we got it. Here you can view the list. Okay, so the question 5 here, we have two questions, pull the question 5. Okay, so now if you want to move the question 5 to after the question 4, okay, you can click here and edit the pull, move also you know, you can move it up here. It's move up until it's one more time. Yeah, so now the question 5 is after question 4 and before the question 6. Okay, so one more thing, this one is when you want to add a question from the question pool, and if you want to create a new question, for example, I will choose a question from this one question. No, not this one. I will choose a question 1. Where is question 1? Okay, this one is the question 1. Okay, you can find the absolute pressure when you know wave pressure. Okay, so I will create this one. Okay, so this one, the question 1 already, we did it already, but I will redo it. So to create a new question, you can click to add question. Okay, click to add and create a question. We can create a worksheet question. Okay, for example, I choose here is test, name is test. Okay, so we can download it later. So the worksheet question, for example, you maybe I will copy the question. Okay, copy question 1 so we don't have to rewrite. Is master quiz. Okay. Okay, question 1. I will copy it. You can see in this question and copy this one. Okay. Yeah, okay, in this question x is x1 is variable. Okay, variable. And what is x1? X1 is you can add x1 in here. You add a random variable. Okay, you create a new variable, and the new variable name is x. Okay, so now we have to add the Excel file into the question. I open it in with the notepad. Okay, and copy everything here, or everything here, and I paste this into this one, true form. Okay, and create. So now you can see in the random variable we have x1, x2. Okay, x1 is wave pressure and x2 is absolute pressure. Okay, so you see here you have the atmospheric pressure is 30 and the wave pressure is x1, so the absolute pressure is answer 1. Answer 1, you can do this one in the worksheet answer. You create a new answer in numeric response. Name is answer 1. Okay, with answer 1 is, you see, answer 1 is x1. Now x2, let me see. You see answer 1 is x2. So you have x x2 is the answer. Okay, oh sorry, x2 is the answer exactly. And the format here you can use is 2 digits, 3 digits, or 2 digits. Okay, so you can save it. And now we come back to the question here. So answer one is, you see the answer one is the answer, and answer one is x2. X2 here is this one. Okay, so you save it. Yes. And like this. Has no default feedback. Okay. Okay, so now it's reload here. You can see the test question here. Okay, so you see if the atmospheric pressure is 30, and if the pressure inside the weight pressure inside the tank is 220, we have the absolute pressure is 250. Okay, see another version: 30, 70, 100. Okay, thank you.